Hey guys! So here I'm gonna show you how to add the move animations to your boxes. First of all, just to be clear, a box is just a rectangle. Um, the first thing I did was that I added all my elements in the right order in my layer menu. As you can see here, I have 3 layers I've added into a group. The reason for that is that I want all 3 layers to animate the same way in the creative. Good. So first of all, we're gonna start with the one below here. We have the light pink box. We want it to move down a bit. So we click on animate, click on the move animation. We type in when we want it to start. We want it to start after 0.8 seconds. And we want the duration to be the same, like this. The direction we want it to end with. And then we have the X and the Y value. We're going to type in the I value because we want it to move down, and it's 720 pixels. The easing, we choose power 3 and the easing type in and out. Now you can see it has been added here to the layer menu. Then we click on this text element. We want that to animate as well, move down. Click on animate, do the same as we did before. Did start, we want it to start 0.7 and we want the duration to be the same, like this, direction in width, and the Y value is 400 pixels. We want it to move down 400 pixels. The easing, power 3 again, and the easing type in and out. So we have added to the first text element, and then we have a second text element, and we want it to animate the exactly same way. We just want it to going down 1 millisecond before the other one. So I can just click on this animation here in the layer menu and copy it, click on the new text element and add it. And then I can just go in and edit when I want it to start, and I want it to start 0.6 instead. And then you can see it moved over here. So far, so good. Then we want, when we have all the elements moving down after a few seconds, we want it to move to the right. And that's on a group level. So I click on my group, I go again into the animation, click on move, and then I click that I want it to start with 2.3, like this. We want the duration to be 1 second. We want the direction in width, and then we want it to move to the right. So therefore, we add a value into the X value. We add the same pixels amount as the width of the creative, which is 1080 pixels. And then we click on the power 4, on the easing, and the easing type, we're just gonna go without. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. You can see here the text elements is moving down together with the background color, the box. And after a few seconds, you can see that it's moving to the right. So that's nice. Then I have another feature I would like to show you. I would like, as you could see up here, we have a logo that will appear after a few seconds. And we want a box to resize so we can see what's behind. So we're gonna go down to the dark pink box in top. That's what I named it. And for this, we're gonna choose the animation resize X. I want it to start at the same time as the movement for the group. So 2.3 seconds. We want it to last for 1 second. For 0.3 seconds, not 1. And we want the direction to end with. And we want to choose the easing power 3 and in out. Okay, so let's see how that looks like if we just click play here. As you can see, the text and the background color were moving down, the text were moving to the right. And if you take it again, you can see up here, the box is resizing so we can see what's behind it. Okay, well, enjoy!